Well, hello YouTube, it's Paul. Welcome to the channel. It's a nice evening. It's about 8:30 and the water's pretty flat. So we thought we'd take a nice short little paddle around, and the lake's not too busy right now, so enjoy the flat water. You can see the sun's dipping behind the trees, but maybe you can make out there's millions of these little fish flies, we call them, like little snowflakes skimming around the water, just an inch above the water. It's crazy. They're going to be fish food, I think. There's millions of them. There's a better picture with the light behind us of all those fish flies, I guess. I don't know what they're called. That's what I always call them, but anyway, you can really see them. They're not like that just maybe for a week or so, then they're like gone. But yeah, I'm in a pelican, a 12-foot pelican. My son, can I film you? He's over there. He's got a 10-foot pelican, and we're just out enjoying a nice evening paddle. Sun's setting down, and we'll take you up around the bend where the lake opens up. Well, they've got the buoys out marking the sandbar. That's where, if it ever warms up, we'll be doing some swimming. And it's cold today.
It's swimming weather today.
It's what?
It's swimming weather today.
Boy, look at the flies there. That's crazy. Look at them all.
That's such a weird optical illusion.
I know. You'd think they'd be all in your face and in your eyes, but they don't bug you.
Yeah.
At all. But it's cold out today. It's 60 degrees for what, June 7th? That's cold. Feels even colder when you start getting used to the warm.
And we're going to try and get the boat in tomorrow.
Yeah.
It might be a little too cold.
I know. May have to wait a little. It's just nasty. But this is where the lake opens up a little bit wider past this point.
There's the park down there.
Yeah, the park with the beach is way down there. And you can see the other side.
The restaurant runs down there by that little curve.
Yeah, restaurant, you're right. Kind of a bust in the sunset so far. Not too good. We'll see if something lights up a little bit later. Get a little boat wake action. There's Ben. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He just popped right out of water. Jumped up there in the corner, right by the left flower pot. And he's real. It looks still like a statue, but he's definitely real. There he is. That's a pretty good shot. Here's Ben. Show you, we got zoomed in, so maybe I could zoom it out a little, I don't know.
He's getting flexed, I think.
Let's with it out. Oh, there he goes. I got that. Oh, look at him. Oh, that is cool. He just comes off. Did he get something?
He's got a fish, a little bluegill in his
Oh
mouth.
my gosh, he sure does. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that is so beast.
Let me zoom. Oh, now he's behind the pot. Let me move to the right, this way. Push me a hair. Just push. Oh yeah, now I got him.
He sits there, waits for
Yeah.
the fish
Oh,
to
look
go
at him
for the
eating
fruit
it.
flies.
He got him a good size one, man. That's his dinner, no doubt.
Yeah. He sits and waits for those fruit flies.
Let me try zoom.
Oh, somebody's scaring away.
Yeah, it's a good sized bluegill. You can see it plain as day.
Filming it. He must be waiting for it to start. For air.
I guess he wants to take it to the land or something.
Yeah. I'll try and get us down.
I'm trying really hard to not move. I got zoomed in, so at least slow move. That's alright, I got him in the zoom.
Did you get him grab the fish?
Yeah. I didn't know what he was doing.
Yeah, because I thought he was hopping, but he must have saw fish. And
He was just in
was
and out.
flexing, getting ready. Want to get us close?
No.
Oh, he's going to walk the whole way down the land into that brush there, I think. So there's a fish. He used to,
No, he's eating it. Oh.
When the bank was down, he would walk down the bank.
Yeah, I know.
That's what he's doing right now.
I think he just swallowed it. I can't tell. Yep. I'm pretty sure he raised his head and swallowed it right down. And, yep, he's going to go give him another one. He's coming right back.
Beast.
He is quite the hunter.
Yeah. He's going to give him a little
Look.
drink.
All right, come wash it down.
Yeah.
Get a little
Give
drink.
A little sip.
That's funny. Now that's like living at the best, you know.
Yeah.
See the wildlife on the kayak and give them their drink. Yeah.
I think he's gonna wait and grab him another.
He is. He just waits on that dock. Hides like by the flower pot. Now you can't see him.
Still, so he looks like a little statue.
Yeah. Look at him. He just sits up there so he can look down into the water. There he is. Yeah. Got a few boats going by. But he just looks like a statue, like an ornament. Oh, got boat wake, darn it. Getting a good shot of him anyway.